Hey y'all, welcome to the YouTube channel. We got the opportunity to do a full rehab on a building in a wastewater treatment facility. So what we did was use dry ice blasting to prep the walls, and then we had the flooring crew come in for the floors. What the dry ice blasting did was remove all the loose paint, and in some places it removed all the paint, revealing some concrete. So that leaves a good surface to come back with paint. I think we hit it with a quick palm sander, but after that it was good to go as far as the paint goes. So here's a shot of when we're doing the work. We had two blasters set up. As you can see, the floor crew did a really good job of doing the floor after we finished, but we didn't ice blast the floor, we just hit the walls. So we went through with two blasters and blasted the walls everywhere, and in some places it removed a lot of the paint, some places it didn't do too much, but if the paint's already adhered, like I say, all we had to do is hit it with a quick palm sander, use the right style coating, and we can coat over it. As you can see, all the walls have a real nice smooth look to them, and all the paint that we applied is going to be bonded really well because there's nothing underneath it to mess up the adhesion of it. Dry ice blasting was a great application for this because it would only remove the paint that needed to come off. As you can see, the whole building turned out great. They were really happy with it. It looks like a new building at the end, and kind of at the beginning it was kind of a little dark and dingy and dirty, kind of like a dungeon. So everybody was happy all around. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, hit the subscribe button for me. We'll see you next time.